Hi everyone, today I'm reviewing the Secrui door window alarm. You can also use this for the door. It has 4 different alarm modes. It's a pretty loud siren as well, and it's pretty simple to use. This is what you're gonna get within it. I'll leave a link down below in the description if you'd like to purchase this. I purchased this because I want to be aware if my front door does get open any time of the day. It comes with these adhesive pads. This one goes specifically for this one right here, and then you've got also this piece right there, and this piece actually goes right on the side. Okay, and it's kind of like a magnet. You can see right here, it's kind of gravitating towards it as a magnet, and it also has an adhesive that you can put for that. The takes triple A batteries, 2 of them you have to put in there, and let's go ahead and put it on. This is the on button right here on left hand side, so it is on right now, and this is the button to press if you want to change the different type of alarm modes. So that's 1, that's 2, so let's try it out. So that's and if you want to change it, you have to press the button again. Let me remove it. There you go. So that's like if somebody opens the door, it alerts you, right? And let's press it again. Let's try it. Right. There we go. Let's try to push the button again. Really interesting. So it says 4 alarm modes, but I'm only able to kind of get 2 of them. Guys, to not give you the hassle of hearing the noise and sirens, it does have 4 modes. The other 2 modes are basically a dialed down siren. So it's the same very loud beeping siren, but it gets dialed down every button that you press. So that's kind of interesting. The thing is this, you can build to, there you go. Let's see if it changes it. There you can see it's gotten lower.